Hey, I'm Brian Phillips with HP Poly here at Zoomtopia 2023, and now we are in the Zoom booth showing the Zoom Intelligent Director experience that's being hosted on HP Poly hardware. So Zoom Intelligent Director is really designed to make sure that everybody's having a great meeting experience, especially when you think of larger meeting rooms where it's easy for someone to kind of get lost in the background or hidden behind someone else. So what's happening here is we've actually got 3 cameras in this room. One camera here that's, your traditional kind of right in the middle of the display, but we have 2 additional cameras on the sides that are pointed at specific angles to be sure to capture the far ends of the table. That is all connected to a super powerful HP PC that's running Zoom rooms. And the Zoom Intelligent Director software is then using AI to take all those camera images and make intelligent decisions about who to show and how to show them so that everybody's seen clearly and up close on camera so that everybody's got an really equal playing field, equal participation in the meeting. So this is all an experience that's driven by Zoom rooms with Zoom Intelligent Director AI that is using HP Poly hardware at the heart of actually delivering this experience with the cameras, the controller, the audio, as well as the super powerful compute at the heart of the whole experience. To learn more, visit us at hp.com.